Well, it's time to check your learning. Match the word with its meaning. Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer together. The first word is kai. Kai. It means open. The second word is 不. 不. It means no. The last word is 工. 工. It means tool. Well, if you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the next test. Well, write the Chinese character according to its pronunciation and the picture. If you are done, let's check together. The first word is 不. 不. The second word is 开. 开. The last word is 工. 工. And these three words, in this order, it means 不, 开, 工. It means no work. So how's it going? If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。